Hi there, viewers. Do you enjoy candles? Then, when your candle won't melt completely, you've probably been frustrated. You may notice that when you burn candles, much of the wax only burns in very small amounts. The candle burns unevenly, with a tendency for the flame to tunnel downward. We refer to this as candle tunneling. We will discuss strategies to stop candle tunneling in today's video. It has a straightforward technique that makes use of aluminum foil. Is it appropriate to place it on the edge of your candle? How does one use a hairdryer? We'll cover all of these topics and more. Relax. Let's start by talking about why candle tunneling occurs and why it is bad. Why does candle tunneling occur and why is it harmful? Total burn time is one of the main drawbacks of candle tunneling. If the tunneling persists, the wick may eventually penetrate further into the wax. The candle extinguishes as a result of the flame running out of oxygen. When you light a fresh candle for the first time and don't let it burn long enough, candle tunneling can occur. When lighting a candle for the first time, it is ideal to let it burn for 3 to 4 hours. It may also occur in the event that the wick is too small, or if there is some movement in the wick's center. The candle won't produce enough heat if the wick is too small in relation to its size. As a result, the wax closest to the flame will melt, while the wax farther away won't. In some situations, candle tunneling may still occur even after you light the candle for a lengthy time the first time. Seeing the candle burn time substantially shortened can be very annoying. It also detracts from the candle's appearance. Once the ring forms, fixing it appears to be nearly impossible. Thankfully, there are techniques to prevent this. You only need a few items that you already have in your home. No extra tools are required. Relax. Aluminum foil. Aluminum foil is the most efficient way to stop candle tunneling. Candle tunneling can be effectively prevented by using aluminum foil. All you need to do is encircle the outside edge of the candle with aluminum foil. Make sure the foil is reaching over the wax tunnel as you wrap it. Verify that it is still open in the middle. The flame won't be able to reach the oxygen it needs to burn otherwise. The flame is kept constant by the aluminum foil. Additionally, the foil ensures that the heat is uniformly dispersed and kept. In this manner, the remaining wax will melt uniformly. In a few hours, the candle's wax will completely evaporate. After that, you ought to put the candle away for the ensuing several days. This allows the candle's wax to solidify once more. Did you not like using aluminum foil? We do, however, have another one planned. It's time to give the hairdryer method a try. Method with a hairdryer. Candle tunneling is a nice thing to eliminate with aluminum foil. It's not the only option, though. Another way to solve the problem is to use your hairdryer. The wick must be trimmed before using this procedure. Additionally, after using the candle, you should clean up any leftover wax residue. Adjust the hairdryer's highest setting. To melt the wax, place your hairdryer on the candle's surface. To encourage the wax to melt more quickly, you can try prodding the unmelted areas. The hairdryer should be used continuously until the top surface melts completely and smooths out. Relight your candle after the procedure is complete. Ensure that the candle burns for a minimum of half an hour. Ideally, after half an hour, no additional tunneling should be seen. After the tunneling is completed, wait a few days before lighting your candle. It is best to let the wax solidify. Depending on the type of wax, this normally takes 2 days to 2 weeks. Relax. Put candle toppers to use. Using candle toppers is an additional method of combating candle tunneling. They function similarly to aluminum foil. All of these candle toppers typically have elaborate designs, though. In essence, candle toppers are metal lids with an open top. As a result, the candle's flame might continue to burn. The lid shields your candle from the wind at the same time. Candle toppers help the wax melt evenly and keep all outside elements at bay, just like aluminum foil does. Moreover, candle toppers are a lovely addition to your decor. They are available in a variety of themes and patterns to complement your interior decor. Candle tunneling may be handled with ease. But what if you were able to stop it? This takes us to the subject at hand. Pause. Let's discuss how to avoid candle tunneling now. Avoid candle tunneling. You can take certain steps to ensure that tunneling doesn't occur at all. For example, you should make sure that your candle's wick is routinely trimmed. This makes it possible for the ignited wick to stay straight and not deviate. Additionally, ensure the candle is not in direct sunlight or near a draft. The candle flame flickers due to the wind. This results in candle tunneling due to uneven wax burning. Try using 3-wick candles to ensure that there is absolutely no candle tunneling. They often endure a long time and also stop the issue from starting in the first place. It is best to let the candle burn for a few hours before using it for the first time. The size and thickness of the candle determine how long it will burn. 3 or 4 hours should work best. This is significant because, contrary to popular belief, wax isn't always hard. Over time, the wax will continue to harden even after it becomes solid. Even after melting and cooling, the wax would remain soft if the candle was lit today. The wax would be much harder if you waited about a week before lighting it again. Thus, the first time you burn the candle, you will be allowing the wax in the middle to melt. Only the middle half of the candle will continue to melt when you light it again. This is because melting this region requires less thermal energy. It requires more energy to melt the wax surrounding the spot since it is tougher. We get candle tunneling as a result. Because less expensive wicks are used in mass-produced candles, candle tunneling is typically an issue. More attention is typically taken when creating luxury candles, including measuring the wick to match the candle's diameter. Candle tunneling is still possible regardless of the type of candle you're using. To ensure the candle lasts a long time, all you need is a little aluminum foil. Relax. Are you looking for additional tricks? Would you like to continue the topic with a few more ingenious movies of home and kitchen hacks? This is important for you to know. 19 cleaning tricks that teach you how to get things cleaner, faster. 23 amazing kitchen tricks to transform your life. Feel free to click one. Alternatively, watch both to find out more about how hidden tricks can improve your life. Which of these techniques will you apply to stop candle tunneling? Tell us in the comments section below.